The grind isn't easy, but it's worth it. Every bit of effort, every late night, every early morning, it all adds up. It all matters. And one day, when you've achieved what you once thought was impossible, you'll look back and say, "I'm glad I didn't give up." Keep pushing, keep believing, because the grind will pay off. The grind can feel lonely at times. When you're chasing a goal, you might find yourself on a path that few others understand. While your friends are having fun, you're at home working on your dream. While others are taking it easy, you're putting in the hours. It's not easy, but it's necessary. Understand that not everyone will support you. Some people will call you crazy. They'll say you're wasting your time. They'll laugh at your dedication. That's fine. Let them. Because one day, they'll be the ones cheering for you when you've made it. The grind sets you apart from the crowd, and that's the point. If you want extraordinary results, you can't live an ordinary life. You have to make peace with the sacrifices and the hard decisions. Remember, the grind is a privilege. It's your ticket to greatness. The truth about the grind is that it will test you. It will push you to your limits. There will be days when you feel like you're making no progress. Days when you question whether it's all worth it. Days when you want to quit. Expect setbacks. Expect failures. Expect moments of doubt. But every challenge is an opportunity to grow. Every failure is a chance to learn. Every obstacle is a test of your commitment. Don't let the challenges break you. Let them make you stronger, tougher, and more determined. Embrace the struggle, because the struggle is what makes the success worth it. Let me share a truth about dedication. It's unbeatable. Having natural ability is great, but without putting in the effort, it's meaningless. Ability can give you an initial advantage, but dedication is what gets you to the end goal. There's no quick fix for success. There's no secret recipe. The only way to achieve your goals is to put in the time and effort. You must outdo your rivals, outdo your own doubts, and outdo the excuses that hold you back. Dedication isn't glamorous or enjoyable, but it's the cost of achieving something remarkable. The good news is that dedication is something you can control. You might not be the most intelligent, the quickest, or the most gifted, but you can always be the most dedicated person in the room. One of the biggest errors people make is expecting immediate results. They work hard for a week and get discouraged when they don't see progress. However, the journey to success doesn't work that way. Success takes time, patience, and persistence. It's like planting a seed. You nurture it, care for it, and wait for it to grow. You don't dig it up every day to check its progress. You trust the process. The journey to success is similar. You must put in the effort every day and trust that the results will follow. Patience is not about waiting idly. It's about working hard while staying focused on your long-term vision. It's about understanding that great things take time. So keep pushing forward. Keep nurturing your goals. The rewards will come. Excuses are the enemy of success. They're the lies you tell yourself to avoid taking responsibility. I'm too tired, I don't have enough time, I'll start tomorrow. Stop making excuses. Stop letting them hold you back. The truth is, you have the time, you have the energy, you have what it takes. The only thing standing between you and your goals is your own mindset. So, take ownership of your life. Take responsibility for your actions. And stop making excuses. When you eliminate excuses, you eliminate limits. You free yourself to focus on what truly matters. You take control of your destiny. The most beautiful thing about the journey to success is that it's not just about what you achieve. It's about who you become in the process. The journey transforms you. It molds you into a stronger, smarter, and more resilient version of yourself. Every challenge you overcome, every sacrifice you make, every hour you put in, it all adds up. It shapes your character. It builds your confidence. It gives you the tools to handle anything life throws at you. The journey isn't just about reaching a goal. It's about becoming the kind of person who can achieve anything. So don't just work hard for the results. Work hard for the growth. Work hard for the transformation. Work hard for the person you're destined to become. What kind of legacy do you want to leave behind? What do you want people to remember about you when it's all said and done? Will they see you as someone who settled for mediocrity or someone who reached for greatness? Often we're too intimidated by how big our goals seem. We look at what we want to achieve and think it's too hard. I'll never be able to do it. But the truth is, you don't have to do it all at once. You can do it one step at a time. Small, consistent efforts add up and create results. Start small. Get up 15 minutes earlier to work on your goals. Replace one unhealthy snack with something healthy. Read one chapter of a book that will help you grow. These small actions may seem like nothing, but over time they can lead to big changes. The key is to keep going day after day. It's not about making big leaps, it's about making progress every day. Imagine a plane that changes its course by just a little bit. The change is barely noticeable, but over a long distance, that small change can take the plane to a completely different place. Life operates in a similar manner. Consistently repeating small actions can greatly impact your future. Your key to success lies in momentum. After taking the initial step, subsequent steps become less challenging. Each forward step boosts your confidence, and this confidence drives progress. Keep in mind that progress is not required to be flawless. The crucial aspect is that you are making headway. A river cuts through rock, not through brute force, but through persistence. Emulate the river. Change is undoubtedly difficult, uncomfortable, and painful. However, this pain is temporary. The discomfort you experience when pushing yourself to work harder, learn more, or venture out of your comfort zone will eventually subside. Regret, on the other hand, lasts a lifetime. Imagine yourself a decade from now reflecting on the present day. Will you be proud of the choices you made, or will you wish you had worked harder, started sooner, or taken a chance? The pain of discipline is easier to bear than the pain of regret. Discipline strengthens you, while regret weakens you. Every time you feel like giving up, recall why you began. Remember the future you are striving for. Success is not about avoiding pain, but about persevering through it and emerging stronger. Pain signifies growth and pushing beyond your limits. Use it as motivation. Regret, however, will haunt you, reminding you of missed opportunities and abandoned dreams. Do not give it that power. Choose discipline over regret, action over inaction, and growth over stagnation. Your future self will be grateful. What gives your life meaning? If you are unsure, it is time to search for your purpose. Every decision you make is a chapter in your story, Every sacrifice, every victory, every lesson learned, it's all part of your legacy. So, make it count. Write a story that you'll be proud to tell. Keep pushing forward. Greatness doesn't come easily. It demands sacrifice, discipline, and a relentless commitment to your goals. Think about it. Why do so few people achieve greatness? It's not because they lack potential. It's because they're not willing to pay the price. Greatness will cost you late nights and early mornings. It will cost you comfort and convenience. It will cost you friendships, social outings, and the approval of others. But here's the truth. The price of greatness is always worth it. The pain of discipline is temporary, but the pain of regret lasts forever. When you feel like quitting, remind yourself why you started. Remind yourself of the vision you're chasing, the goals you've set, and the life you want to create. Achieving greatness requires courage and determination, but the reward is worth the effort. Failure is an inevitable part of the journey to success, not its opposite. Many people allow failure to define them, but it's only permanent if you let it be. Every failure offers a lesson, and every setback provides an opportunity for growth. The most successful individuals learn from their failures and use them as a stepping stone to success. They don't fear failure, but rather the possibility of not trying and the regret of wondering what could have been. Failure is not the end, but a chance to learn and move forward. To succeed, you need a clear vision of what you want to achieve and why. Your vision serves as a compass, guiding you through challenges and distractions. It's essential to define your goals, write them down, and visualize them daily. A clear vision boosts motivation and helps you stay focused. Having a vision is not just about setting goals, but about creating a mental picture of your future that drives you to work towards it. Let your vision guide and motivate you to push through the challenges. Confidence is not innate, but rather developed through persistence and hard work. The grind is an effective way to build confidence, as it proves to yourself that you're capable of overcoming obstacles. Confidence is not about being arrogant, but about believing in your abilities and potential. It's about knowing that you can overcome any challenge that comes your way. The grind helps you develop strength, resilience, and faith in yourself. In today's world, distractions are plentiful, and it's easy to lose focus. To succeed, you must learn to prioritize and concentrate on your goals. Focus is not just about working hard, but about working smart and efficiently. It's about eliminating unnecessary distractions and staying committed to your vision. Identify what's holding you back and eliminate it. Every moment you waste on distractions is a moment stolen from your goals. The grind is not about isolating yourself from loved ones, but about finding a balance between your goals and relationships. Surround yourself with people who support and encourage you, and don't be afraid to distance yourself from those who bring you down. Success is meaningless without people to share it with, so nurture your relationships while pursuing your goals. Acknowledging progress is crucial to maintaining motivation. Success is not just about achieving your goals, but about celebrating the small victories along the way. Recognize your efforts and reward yourself for your accomplishments. Small wins build momentum and remind you that your hard work is paying off. The grind can be challenging, but it's worth it in the end. You must commit to it, embrace the struggle, and believe in yourself. The journey is not easy, but the reward is worth the effort. So, start now and keep grinding.